Hi, welcome to my channel, Rohit Speaks. And in today's video, I'm going to cover a recent news about how a baby was treated with a life-saving technique called as CRISPR. And it's broad term is called gene editing, is basically changing your defective DNA into something which will make your right enzyme or right protein. So this new technique has treated the baby, and now baby is surviving and healthy. And this news was published in 21st of May. So I'm gonna just go through what CRISPR actually is. So what CRISPR is, it's an enzyme which is guided using a guide RNA, which is specific to your region of interest. So imagine your DNA. So in general, DNA, your RNA gets converted into DNA, gets converted into, sorry, your DNA gets converted into mRNA, gets converted into protein. So any gene is basically making a functional protein for your body or your system. So how do they fix a DNA which is defective? And that is genetic tissue where there is one sequence which is changed or a couple of sequences which has changed. So what they use this system called as CRISPR-Cas9 system, which is an enzyme which has a short guide RNA. It's nothing but a small sequence of RNA which is specific to that DNA. It will go and stick where there is an issue, and this enzyme will cut that. It will, so this violet part will go stick to the region where it is you have an issue, and then this enzyme will cut that area, and then you'll create this break where you have dissolved the problem area. And now you can either stick those together. Now some parts have gone, so basically you have chromosomes have already a copy to repair if there is any double stranded breaks, and they will come back and repair it and make it right, make the right sequence. If Because technically you have two copies of your gene. One is, if one is bad, other one is okay, the it can use the okay one to fix it right. Usually it might again cause the same issue, but most often you if you provide additional sequence of DNA, it can fix that as well. So in short, what it is basically it's an enzyme, and it along with this there is a small short sequence of RNA which is specific, very specific to the region where there is an issue. So they will go bind to that area, create a cut, and then you have internal repair system, or you can provide an external right sequence template guide, and it will stick there, and your DNA will be repaired with the right sequence. And what is happening is with the right sequence, right RNA will be formed, right RNA will make the right protein. And that's how the system works. And so in case of this baby named as KJ, it had an issue in their DNA where one letter or one was mismatched. And what was happening is the liver was not able to make an enzyme to get rid of the ammonia in the system. So when you eat protein, your liver digests your everything. The ammonia is got rid, you digested, ammonia is released, and liver removes that ammonia from your system. Excess of ammonia is toxic to you. So this baby was not able to remove ammonia from its system. So ammonia levels were high in the blood. So with this system, this injection at 6 months of age, the doctors injected him with the CRISPR-Cas9 system, which was FDA approved. And what has happened was the DNA got fixed, and it was able to make the enzyme which would get rid of the ammonia, and baby's weight started gaining, and it just started to behave normally, started gaining weight, and everything was developing fine. And this is a recent news. So you can see the baby before the treatment and after treatment, it's much healthier and is able to get rid of the ammonia from its system. So I just wanted to make this video to like this is a new way of treatment. I know it's very specific. It's not in general, everybody can do it. You need to be very like diagnosed with what you have an issue, what kind of issue is there in your DNA, and at what stage it could be fixed. Most likely when you're very young, or youngish, it is much easier to fix it. Down the road, it might be challenged. So studies have to be done. But this is a new way of treatment, and it is very specific. So once they get to know, for example, future IC is you'll go to a company, they'll detect your DNA issues, and it will basically tell you, okay, this is more down the road. You might not be able to, let's say, get rid of your cholesterol or whatever it is. They will fix it right away, and so you could live a much healthier life. And this is a new way of doing treatment, and I feel like there is a future for this thing. And yeah, just wanted to bring people's attention to it. So with that, I'll switch off this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.